rollover car accident at 21 years of age. Put me in the hospital for 3 weeks, and then I had to do another 4 months of intense therapy. I had to take off of school because of a brain injury. Out of all of this, I was left with tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills that I didn't know how to take care of. I ended up having to hire an attorney, sit down at the same type of conference table that I do with my current clients, and have someone help me and guide me to get through this process, to get me good medical care, to get my bills paid, and to get me compensation so that I can pay for future medical care and the things that I was going to need down the road.
I was going straight on a green light, and somebody from the opposing lane came in and made a left turn. So I T-boned them. All my airbags went off. My hand was on the wheel, my left hand, and I think that's the reason why, between that and the impact and the airbag, I think that's the reason why my hand broke.
I was driving nice and slow through a parking lot looking for a space. Somebody backed out, hit me from the side, which pushed my vertebrae into my spinal cord. Now I have pins and plates in my neck and recuperated through physical therapy, but can't do my day-to-day operations as a nurse.
Fighting is everything to me. I've done martial arts since I was 6 years old. It's my life. It's a way of life for me. I feel empty or incomplete without doing martial arts. So the fact that I had such a detrimental injury where I almost couldn't go, there was a possibility I couldn't go back. I mean, I expressed those feelings to Shannon and how significant it is for me to really try to get back to doing what I love to do. Healing from the injury and mentally, physically, it means a lot that he was able to help me through the process of everything, because I would be nothing without martial arts.
Alexis's story, not only was it a privilege to represent her, but when she came to me, she had a lot going on, mentally, physically, financially. It was a very bad accident that totaled her car. Helping her through this entire process was a big deal for not only her, but for me, to make sure that she came out as good as possible.
The settlement means a lot to me. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a full-time student. Work is out of the question for me right now. The settlement is really, really helping me financially just get by while I can get my school done, while I can raise my baby boy.
I would receive phone calls from Shannon on a regular basis, just asking me how I was doing, how much pain you're in, are you feeling better, is your treatments working? I would say that through getting my money out of this lawsuit, that Shannon really saved me from a bankruptcy.
I would absolutely refer Shannon to a friend or anybody who needs a personal injury lawyer, because of how successful we were, how personal and genuine Shannon is, and how smooth and how communicative he is throughout the process of everything. I couldn't have asked for a better lawyer.
I would refer Shannon to other people, because I really feel that he genuinely cares about you as a person, and you're not going to feel like a number. You're going to get a response.
Once we won the case and everything was finalized, we got a check and we finally closed, signed off some papers. We celebrated, and he gave me a goodie bag or a goodie box, and it was full of bunch of different things, and one of those things was a dash cam.
I believe in dash cams because they are, in my opinion, the true way of determining who's at fault for an accident or how it happened. There's many times where clients come to me, a couple times a month, where the insurance company of the other driver is blaming my client or putting some kind of fault on them. And that causes all kinds of legal issues, and it could potentially kill a case. This simple device could save your case, save you from getting dropped by your insurance company or getting sued. Everyone needs to have one in their car.